Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can define bank statement transaction codes. Why we have to define bank statement transaction codes? When we receive the bank statement, it will have some codes like CHA, check, INT, interest, etc. So, those codes has to be defined into the system. Now let's jump into the system and understand how we can do that. Click on your username, click on setup and maintenance, search for the task called manage bank statement transaction codes. Manage bank statement transaction codes. Now click on create icon to create. Now the code is CHK, check, transaction type is check, click on save and close, click on done, click on home. In this way you can create bank statement transaction codes which will help you in creation of bank statement which will help you in creation of bank statement I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.